In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an email address to your Outlook account. So if you want to add a second or a third account, then we can do that in just a couple easy steps. Now this will work on both the new Outlook and also the old Outlook as well. So all you need to do is go and click on settings in the top right hand side, and you'll see here it will say email accounts. We can click add account, and then you need to go and type in the email address of the account that you want to add. Now this doesn't have to be Outlook, it could be Gmail, Yahoo, it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to type in my email and go and press continue. You can then press continue again, and this should take you over to a web browser where you can directly link your account. So I'm just going to go through this confirmation. Make sure to check the box to select all, and then you can scroll down and press continue. You can then click on the button to open back up Outlook, and that's now going to automatically connect your account. So over in this left-hand navigation, you should now see your second account that you just added. You can click on the drop-down arrow and you can go straight to the inbox for that account. Now, if you're using the older version of Outlook, the interface may be slightly different. You can usually get to the same window by clicking somewhere in the top left-hand side of the screen. So that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.